is via the app on the phone. So, and I'll go through that really quickly. The second are NFC tap to review badges, which you will be ordering. I think the team will be ordering for you. Yeah. It is far and away the easiest methodology to ask for the review. Just think of it like a hotel room key or a credit card. Tap the customer's phone and we'll start the review solution. While you guys are waiting for the tap badges to be ordered and received, we have a QR code that's built right into the app. I want you to understand how our system and the reward program your team is building is predicated on a penny a point. So every time you're in the field with a customer, you have the opportunity of generating $10 in reward points. So at $10 an opportunity, let's say $10 an opportunity for only 5 customers. That's $50 a month. That's $2,500 a year that Ron and the team are going to put out there and give you that opportunity to drive more rewards and make your lives better. Phone and enable, in this case, enabling your camera, or here's a code, right? Or whatever, right? Your feedback earns me recognition from my company. Would you mind leaving some feedback? It would mean the world to me. There are a million things you can say there. But you want to make sure you're thanking them, that you're saying, look, the review means a lot to me. Obviously, you want to initiate, right? So open up, the QR code, and we'll get to that in a moment. Make sure that they obviously get started. You can even take a look, watch them over the shoulder, not write the review, but all you want to do is get them started. Guide them and then hold them accountable. And this is key because I have service techs who they use the QR code, but then they're like, okay, bye, get to it whenever. No. Do it now while I'm here.